In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to your Google Business profile. This process is quick, straightforward, and incredibly useful for businesses looking to manage their profile with a team seamlessly. So let's dive in. To start, you'll need to go to your Google Business profile. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account associated with your business. Once you're in, select your business profile. This is where all the magic happens, where you can update your business information, manage reviews, and of course add users to help you with all these tasks. If you're wondering where exactly to click next, look for 3 dots or an overflow menu. This simple icon is your gateway to more options. Click on it and it will bring up a menu where you should select business profile settings. It might seem like a lot of clicking around, but trust me, it's all very intuitive once you're on the page. Now you'll find yourself in the settings area where various options are listed. Here what you want to select is people and access. This section is specifically designed for managing who has access to your Google Business profile and what permissions they have. It's a centralized spot to control your team's roles easily. Once you've navigated to people and access, you're looking to add a new person to your Google Business profile management team. Spot the add button and give it a click. This is the part where you're officially inviting someone to your Google Business Arena. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you wish to add. Make sure it's an email they check regularly, because Google will send them an invitation via this address. After typing in the email, it's time to click invite, and just like that you've successfully sent an invitation. The person on the receiving end will need to accept your invite to get access, so you might want to give them a heads up, and there you have it. That's the whole process from beginning to end. By adding members to your Google Business profile, you can distribute the workload, ensure your business's information is up to date, and respond to reviews or posts more efficiently. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work, especially when it comes to managing the online facet of your business. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your business online. Have a great day.